there's another one. I'm sure it needs that Somali Tosai. People think that it's not a pentatonic scale. It could be a pentatonic scale and it could not be. Because originally it has been composed in Sheikh school by Ali Mire, was a teacher. The tune was a Sudani tune, and it has been brought here by a singer, Daoud Timayare. He sang it. Later on, Qasim Hilole, both of them have died, has sung it. And during that time, it has been, when Qasim Hilole sang it, the tune has been changed. Little different, but at the same time, it's.
Tosos kutir sedai